Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will understand one more example from ANSYS programming by E. Balaguruswamy. So this program is about structures. You have already studied the structure in previous tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, we will create structures and how to access the properties of structure and how to assign values to that properties. So we have created one structure named personal. In personal structure, we are storing the various details of person. Means we are storing name, day, month, year and salary. Now we are creating struct type variable. Now we are creating personal type variable person. I want to demand the inputs, so I am printing message input values, and using the scanf function we will retrieve the value entered by the user and we will store that value into struct type variable person. Now how to access the personal structures properties? Dot operator is used to access the various properties of structure. So this is the syntax to access the properties of the structure. First write the variable name, which is here person, which we have created earlier, and then the property name which we want to access. Here it is name. Second is the person.day, means day entered by the user is stored in day variable of personal structure. Likewise we are also entering month, year and salary using dot operator. Remember only this syntax: variable name, which is the struct type variable, and dot property which we want to access. So we are taking input from the user of various properties. Now once property is entered, we want to print all the values which are entered by the user using the structure variable access. So we have printed all the type specifier in the double quote, and after that one by one we are printing all the value. First we are printing name by person.name, after that person.day, person.month, person.year and person.salary. So this way we can use dot operator to access the structure properties. Now let's run and see the output. Program is demanding for inputting values. First is the name, so we are entering John. Second is the day 5, month is equal to Jan, and year is equal to 2030, salary is equal to 15,000 and enter. We can see the properties is accessed. So program have printed John 5 Jan 2013 15,000. So this way we can use the structure to manipulate our data and group different types of data type in one variable. Thank you.